Okay, here we are back on the workbench of death, and a couple of videos I showed you what I thought to be was the most forgotten and overlooked survival food, so bushcraft survival food, whatever, emergency food, whatever you want to call it, and that was SpaghettiOs. We all ate SpaghettiOs when we were a kid. You know, they're a little high in sodium, but if you're busting the bushes and everything out there and sweating a lot, you're gonna need that sodium replacement that them SpaghettiOs give you. And I did a couple of SpaghettiOs recipes, and I think that 2 cans of SpaghettiOs was just about all I could stomach. But now, I think it's time to see what the absolute worst bushcraft or survival food is. And I think that you'll agree with me when I show you what it is. And we're going to do that right now. I think the worst survival food is, that's right, Vienna sausages. Now, what's in this can is neither from Vienna or sausage. So you kind of got to dress these up, and they're really, when you dress them up, they're really not bad. But I'm going to show you a nice quick little recipe to dress up Vienna sausages in the can that I think you'll enjoy. It actually makes them pretty good. So let's go dress these babies up. Okay, here we are inside on the bar, and we got all of the ingredients to make our wonderful Vienna sausage recipe. And this has actually come out pretty good. What we need is one little tin of Vienna sausage, and I got these at the Dollar Tree for 59 cents a can. So we're good. And you can tell because it says America's favorite on them. These are Armor, I guess, and it was kind of hard to find a can that wasn't dented. But here we go, you know, and there's six little weenies in there, or whatever they call them. We got our favorite Cristal Louisiana hot sauce, and you need a good Louisiana hot sauce for this. You need a generous amount of ketchup, and you need our old Dollar Tree fork. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the can, being careful not to cut ourselves. Okay. All right. Ooh. Oh, look at that. This has got all of the Vienna sausage water. Some people drink that, but I ain't drinking that. I am going to go pour that out, and then I'm going to be right back. Okay, so here we are with our drained out Vienna sausage weenies. What we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them in there. They're ready to go. I remember when I used to eat these when I was a kid hunting, when I was deer hunting, and I remember them just being awful. But plain, they're pretty bland, they ain't too good, so we're going to spice it up. Now we're going to get our good old friend Louisiana hot sauce. Okay, and y'all know me, I just like a drop of hot sauce. So we're going to put just a drop in there. Okay, yeah, look at that. All right, there we go. Just tap the can a little bit, get the hot sauce down there. Now we're going to add the ketchup. Now we need a lot of ketchup. So here we go. We'll add a ketchup just on the top. Okay. Generous helping of ketchup. You can't even see the weenies. Now, tap the can. Kind of get that ketchup down in there. Ooh. Splashing out a little bit. All right. Kind of tap the can. Now this splash. All right. So you can just kind of see the top of the weenies. Now, that's the whole recipe. We're going to eat this. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with our weenies ready for the taste test. They don't come out of there too easy. Oh, look at that. It's got ketchup on there. And, ooh, you can smell the hot sauce. So let's try it. Not bad with the ketchup and the hot sauce. All right. Ooh, man, those are good. Got some ketchup on there. Look at the weenie. Now you got to eat the whole thing. Needs more hot sauce. But here we go. Leave me a comment below and let me know your favorite way to eat Vienna sausages, or not at all. Not at all would probably be the best way to eat these. But, you know, with some hot sauce and ketchup, they ain't too bad. You can fry them up or you could use them in beans and make like beanie weenies, or you know, just eat them straight out of the can. Some people drink the juice. I ain't drinking that. You can see the ketchup gets down in there. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what your various Vienna sausage experiences have been. And actually, you know, as a survival food, as bushcraft food, these aren't bad at all. You could carry along some little ketchup packets from like the store or restaurants that you go to, and a little bit of hot sauce, and you know, no cooking at all out in the field. And these would be pretty good. So here we are again. It's still a little too hot to go out in the woods, but it's cooling off. I'm gonna be out there pretty soon. Here we are again with our review of probably the worst bushcraft survival food, the Vienna sausage. Your mileage may vary, but if you had to eat them, they ain't bad. So, once again, this is Matt the Old Florida Boy saying, I will see you on the trail.